Hey, Dr. Backpacker and Kids here, and we're doing some ice fishing in Upper Peninsula, Michigan today.
Perhaps you got new equipment over the holidays, or just want to try something new this winter. In this video, we'll talk about the equipment you need to get started ice fishing.
See you at the trailhead, this time in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. Even if you're not going to ice fish this winter, enjoy the outdoors by going on a winter hike with kids. Ice fishing is cold, especially up north, so dress warmly and get your hot cocoa ready because these are 6 things you need to get started ice fishing.
Number 1 is an ice fishing shelter because it's important to get out of the wind and elements, and they look cool too.
Number 2 is an ice auger. Gas power makes it easier to get through the ice, which was almost 2 feet deep and under almost a foot of snow on the lake. Short ice fishing rods and ultra-light reels make it easier to fish over small holes in the ice.
You can see a tiny little perch there trying to eat off of it.
Lightweight line and small bait like bee moth or minnows, or small jigs will display best in cold water.
It's a picture.
Notice I'm videotaping you.
What? Okay.
5-gallon buckets can work for storage
Daddy
and double as
got
seats with
something,
seat cushions.
I don't think it did you?
Number 6 is transportation. Snowshoes, a snowmobile, or ATV can be used to pull your gear and shelter into the ice. Find a place you're familiar with on the lake to increase your chances for success.
Then it's time to be patient, sit back, and enjoy your time on the ice.
It's about 8 degrees out today. About 18 inches of ice on the lake. The snowshoes to get across the snow on the lake, back over to the shanty for some more ice fishing. It's about 10 degrees right now. Sunny day.
Those are the 6 things to get started ice fishing. Remember, never venture out on ice that's not safe or thick enough. Always ask a parent or guardian if the ice is safe.
Other gear we also suggest are a small heater, rod holder, or tip-ups, and electronics like cameras, depth sounders, and GPS tracking.
Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks, and see you at the trailhead!